Hey, thanks for clicking on our video. Since you're probably interested in travertine, let's discuss what exactly are travertine pavers. Travertine pavers are natural stones that are specifically designed for outdoor projects such as patios, walkways, and paver pool decks. These pavers are typically thicker than travertine tiles and come in a multitude of colors and sizes. The average thickness of a travertine paver is approximately 1 1/4. Many homeowners select travertine pavers when upgrading their pool deck or patios because of its excellent color tones, non-slip surface, and their ability to stay cool. Moreover, travertine pavers are extremely durable and require little maintenance activity. Because travertine is affordable and will continue to look great for years to come, it's one of the best investments that you can make when remodeling your home's exterior. If you want to learn more about travertine paver installation, or the cost of travertine pavers, visit our website at www.americanpavingdesign.com.